Hello, dear artificial intelligence enthusiasts. Today, I'm taking you into a world that's both fascinating and deeply unsettling. Imagine you're playing Minecraft, but not in the way you know it. Instead of a typical game world with fixed rules and mechanics, you're in an environment created entirely by artificial intelligence. This world, known as Oasis, isn't run by a conventional game engine, but by a powerful transformer model that reacts to everything you do. Every move you make, every jump, even just a look, everything influences the world around you. Can you imagine what it would be like to live in a constantly changing world where nothing is certain and everything is unpredictable? Would you dare to enter such a world where control slips through your fingers? Today, you'll learn all about Oasis, a project that could potentially change the gaming world forever. Oasis may look like Minecraft at first glance, but it's something else entirely. There's no classic game engine running in the background here. Instead, every element is created through artificial intelligence. This AI has watched countless hours of Minecraft gameplay, learning how to craft a game world by itself. Every biome, every movement, and even each object is generated in real time, responding directly to your keyboard and mouse inputs. Sound incredible? But be warned, this world doesn't follow the familiar rules of Minecraft. It's dynamic, unpredictable, and constantly shifting. It feels like stepping into a living dream. Or for some of you, perhaps a nightmare. Stay tuned, because today I'm going to show you everything this AI-powered game has to offer and what it could mean for the future of gaming. Right from the first moment of playing Oasis, it becomes clear that you're dealing with a completely different kind of game. The AI tries to recreate familiar Minecraft elements, but often in a surreal way. You might spawn on a peaceful coastline, but suddenly, with no warning at all, find yourself in a barren desert. Sometimes, just a slight turn of your head changes the landscape around you. There's no fixed map, no set rules in Oasis. It's a world that constantly shifts, where every movement triggers a reaction. This gives you a sense of uncertainty and wonder. How safe are you here? Really? What could happen next? This world, created by AI, breaks away from all familiar rules and feels more like a dream than a typical game. At the core of Oasis is the transformer model, a neural network that generates everything in real time. This AI is built on a structure that has learned from the patterns and data of countless Minecraft videos. Each time you move, jump, or break a block, the model analyzes your inputs and recreates the environment around you. There are no pre-made levels or fixed boundaries here. Everything is based on what the AI learned from watching Minecraft videos. But this also leads to strange moments. Sometimes you break a block and suddenly the entire surroundings transform. It's as if the AI has a rough idea of what the world of Minecraft is, but instead it develops its own interpretation. The mechanics in Oasis are not rigid and predictable, but surprising and alive, which is both exciting and unsettling. One of the most fascinating aspects of Oasis is how the AI creates different environments. I tried several scenarios: a dense forest, a rocky coastline, a village, and even a mountain meadow. Each environment had its own surprises and quirks. In the village, for instance, buildings disappeared the moment I looked away, as if they had never really been there. In the dense forests, the grass suddenly grew sky high, almost blocking my view entirely. The AI seems to create its own version of Minecraft, one that's detached from reality and instead follows a dreamy, almost surreal logic. But what if this AI keeps evolving and eventually creates even more realistic worlds? Do we really want a future where everything around us can change with a single glance? Of course, I also wanted to find out how the AI handles classic Minecraft elements like creatures and combat. So I set out to find familiar mobs, sheep, cows, and even creepers. And the experience was pure chaos. Every creature I saw seemed to transform the moment I looked at it. A sheep began to change form and then suddenly vanished. It was as if the AI couldn't really grasp what a sheep should be and decided instead to create something else. And the tools I tried to craft, they often dissolved or turned into other objects before I could use them. It felt like the AI was desperately trying to interpret my intentions, but kept ending up with surreal, abstract forms that had little to do with the Minecraft original. Control was definitely something I didn't have here. Now it's your turn. Imagine if you had the ability to control a world with just a look. Would you try to build, explore, or simply survive? What would you do if every environment changed with a simple glance? Let me know your thoughts in the comments and let's discuss it. If this wild journey into an unpredictable AI world fascinates you as much as it does me, then leave a like, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I have a feeling that this is just the beginning of a brand new era of gaming, and the future holds even more surprises for us. Before we wrap up, I have a few tips for those of you who want to try Oasis for yourselves. Rule number 1, pay close attention to your surroundings. In this world, a brief moment of distraction could mean important objects disappear. Rule number 2. Chaos is the standard here. Oasis doesn't follow a fixed logic. Anything the AI decides can suddenly become reality. And rule number 3. Remember that this is just a taste of what might come in the future. This technology is evolving at a rapid pace, and it might not be long before we find ourselves in even more realistic dynamic worlds that respond to every move and preference we have. In summary, Oasis is more than just a game. It's an experiment that blurs the line between reality and simulation, showing us what the future of gaming could look like. It opens up a world where each player's imagination could directly shape their environment. While Oasis is still far from replacing Minecraft or similar classic games, it offers an exciting glimpse into what artificial intelligence might accomplish in the realm of entertainment and gaming. Imagine living in a world that constantly adapts to your wishes and dreams. Wouldn't that be an incredible or perhaps terrifying thought? Did you like the video? Then subscribe, and if you want to be informed the next time I upload a video, activate the bell. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay real.